Okay, we are now on page 20, and we are going to continue where we left off. This is from page 19. And number 9 at the top of page 20 says you could add more think or say blocks underneath. And so we are going to, after we change the size, we're going to do another say. And they have, just saying woo. Not sure how many O's there are there, but it doesn't really matter. And we're going to do it for 3 seconds. Okay? And let's check that one out. Let's run it. And oh, you know what? The ghost stays at the same size that he was before. And then he gets bigger yet again at the end. So what we're going to have to do is we are going to have to set his size to 100%. I'm skipping ahead just a little bit here. But that has to do with looks. So we're looking for a set size 2. So that would be this one right here. And we want to do that at the very beginning of our program. And we want it to be 100%. So that would be his normal size. And now let's try to run it. And he should start out at the size he has been. And he's going to get darker and darker and darker. And when he appears, now we get the creaking door. And he glides and he gets bigger and he says woo at the end. Okay. So now we're on number 10. To make the sprite disappear, add a hide block. That's also from looks. And so after we get done with saying woo for 3 seconds, we're going to hide him. And then we're going to wait some more. And that's a control command. So we're going to wait. And it says to wait 4 seconds. So click on the 1, replace it with a 4. Whoops, I got a 5. Let's replace it with a 4. And now we are on, here, let's try that. So when it gets done with saying woo for 3 seconds, after 3 seconds, he disappears because of the hide command. And it's going to last for 4 seconds. And after 4 seconds, we don't have any more instructions, so we're just kind of stuck there. So let's go ahead and stop this. And let's go on to number 11. And we're going to add a go to block. That's motion again. So click on this and go down to go to. And after we've waited, we're going to go to 0 on the X. That would be exactly halfway across the screen. And on the Y, we're going to go to minus 150, which would be pretty near the bottom of the screen. Okay, and then we want to reveal it and do a change size to make it bigger. So you can hide him and you can show him. So there's a show command under looks, and we're going to do that. So he's going to be invisible. We're going to hide him and wait 4 seconds, and then we're going to move him, and he's still invisible when we move him. And then he's going to show up in a different place from where he was before. And then we're going to make him even bigger than he was before. So we are going to change size by 300. So change size is right here by 300. Okay. And let's give that a try. I like to try it as I go. So let's start it off. And you know what? He's still hidden from before, so we're going to stop this. And the very first command then has to re-show him in case he was hidden before, you know, from the last time we ran the code. So now let's try it. And now that shows him. And he starts off at 100% and he gets darker. Scares you, disappears for 4 seconds, 2, 3, 4, and then he reappears and he's really big this time. Okay, that was number 11, and now we're going to go to number 12, and we're going to have him play another sound, and he's going to say something, and we're going to wait some more. So we want to do a sound, so click on sound, and we want to choose play sound. And we have to go find another one, and the sound that they have is a screaming male. So let's go to sounds here and go to our sound library, and it is called Scream, and these are alphabetical here, so we will scroll down to the S's, and Scream male 1. There we go, and I'm going to play it here. Let's try the female one. Should be a little longer than that, I think, but that's okay. So we'll click on OK here. And now we got the sound, and this is what the sound wave looks like. And now if we go back to our script here and choose Play Sound, we should have the screaming male 1. And then we're going to say boo, and that's looks because it draws some text on the screen. So we're going to say boo. I guess they do it in all caps, don't they? I'll do it in all caps too. And we're going to say that for 2 seconds, which is the default. And then we're going to wait some more. So that's going to be a control command. And we're going to wait for 2 more seconds. So click on that and put a 2 in there instead. And now we're on number 13, and it says you could finish by making the sprite disappear with another hide or add some more dialogue. And they got 3 things down there on number 13, so we're going to add them. It's a say and a wait and a say. So I know I'm going to do a wait, so I'll just put that down there. And then I'm going to have a say above it, and then I'm going to wait, and then I'm going to have a say below it. And the first one is, seriously, you're not even a little bit scared? And then we're going to wait 2 seconds, so I got to change this to a 2, and then we're going to say, tough crowd. And that is the end of page 20, so I'll stop this video here and we'll continue with page 21 in our next video.